Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, I'm talking about a product that's been getting a lot of attention in the world of soundbars, especially for those looking for an affordable option that still delivers an incredible sound experience. I'm talking about the MZEIBO Bluetooth Soundbar with surround sound. But is it really worth it? Does it deliver quality sound for your movies, shows, and music? Or is it just another basic soundbar that overpromises and underdelivers? That's what we're going to find out together today. And honestly, if you're thinking about buying a soundbar, this video will help you make the right decision. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. The Muh-ZEE-bo Soundbar has a sleek, modern look, and it's pretty compact. It doesn't take up much space, so it's perfect for smaller rooms or setups. Plus, it can be placed on a table or mounted on the wall, which is a huge plus for saving space. Now, let's get to what really matters: the sound. And here, guys, I was genuinely impressed. For a soundbar in this price range, it delivers clear audio with decent bass and a surround sound experience that really immerses you in whatever you're watching or listening to. Of course, don't expect professional theater-level sound, but for everyday use, it absolutely delivers. It has multiple connection options: Bluetooth, which is super stable and easy to set up, as well as optical, AUX, and USB inputs. This means you can connect it to your TV, projector, PC, or even your smartphone without any hassle. Oh, and it comes with a remote control, which makes adjusting the volume or switching inputs really convenient. One thing I really liked was how easy it is to use. You don't need to be an audio expert to set this up. Within minutes, it's ready to go. And honestly, the sound quality makes a noticeable difference, especially if you're used to the weak audio from built-in TV speakers. Now, let's be fair. It's not perfect. If you have a very large room, you might feel like it doesn't fill the space with sound as much as you'd like. It's better suited for small to medium-sized rooms. Also, while the Bluetooth works really well, it's not the most powerful for long distances. So, if you're planning to use it from another room, you might run into some limitations. But overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. The Muh-ZEE-bo Soundbar is a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their TV or projector sound without breaking the bank. So, is the MZEIBO Bluetooth Soundbar worth buying? In my opinion, yes. It's a solid choice for anyone starting to build their home theater or looking for an affordable yet quality option. Of course, if you're an audiophile or have a very large space, you might want to invest in something more powerful. But for most people, it delivers a lot for the price. If you're thinking about buying it, I recommend checking out the link I'll leave in the video description. That's where you'll find the best price and more details about the product. And if you already own a MZEIBO soundbar, let me know in the comments what you think of it. Was your experience as good as mine? Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. That's it, everyone. I hope this video helped answer all your questions about the Muh-ZEE-bo Bluetooth Soundbar. If you still have any doubts, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Take care and see you next time.